Hello friends, good evening. Hi friends. Look here. What doing Prakhar? Prakhar is studying something. What you study, Prakhar? What are you study? Tell me.
I am writing new words.
Okay.
And that's synonyms.
Okay. So do you teach me what you do? You tell me. Tell me what you write. What you are writing?
I teach you.
Okay, you tell me. Man, teach me something. What are you doing, man?
I am writing Q.
Q.
Q for question mark. Q for quit.
Okay. Are you writing Q? So why are you
Quit
waiting?
मतलब चुप.
Quite matlab chup.
Quit.
Quit.
Yes.
Okay. And can you teach me something?
Yes.
Huh? Teach.
Oh,
And look, guys, look what got man. Man got
ice cream.
ice cream. Yes. Haha. Oh, what are you doing? Acha, you are eating ice cream. Wow. How it is taste? How it is taste? Huh? Tasty. Okay. So do you make your man? Do you know action? I say you make your angry
I
face.
make you angry.
Angry. Man, show me you some action. Okay. I said word.
Why I make story you.
No, I
You
say.
give my this story question. One boy lived there jungle.
No, I don't made a story today. You know, I give you action word and do you make face, okay? Okay. So first cry, laugh,
Ha ha.
and and surprise, and happy, scared face, scared.
Okay,
Man, who teach you all things?
my ma'am.
Okay, your ma'am.